In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Porkbun domain to Hostinger. Before we start, I want to mention that your domain must be at least 60 days old, because there is a rule that blocks transfers within 16 days of registering the domain. If you have that, you can just go to your domain management in Porkbun. You can click on those details next to your domain, which you want to transfer to Hostinger. And now we want to turn two things off. The first one is domain lock, which is by default on. But if you want to transfer domain, you have to turn this off. And also you want to turn off this DNSSEC because it can fail if this is turned on, the transfer. So those two should be off. After that, we will need authorization code, which you can get right here if you click on this. It should give you the code right here. I'm gonna blur it, but you can copy it. But firstly, I would copy my domain and I'm gonna paste it right in Hostinger, or you can just type it manually. So Control C. Now we can move to Hostinger. You want to go to Domains, Transfers. Here choose Transfer to Hostinger. Paste your domain, click on Transfer. It is going to show you the price which you will need to pay. You can see it's ready for transfer. So this means we did everything right. But you need to pay this amount if you want to transfer this, but this will also like renew your domain for 1 year. So you can see the expiration date of it will be here. So once you purchase the domain, you should see in your billing history that you purchased this. So if you click on this search, then subscription billing, you should see that domain transfer right here and the price you paid. And you're gonna also see some kind of setup button right here. So you need to click on that and then you will paste the authorization code from Porkbun. So you can find it right here. Just click on get authorization code and then it can take around 5 to 7 days to process that transfer. And that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, how you can transfer your Porkbun domain to Hostinger, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.